Hello and good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So, children, today I have come up with another video. So, let's see what's today we are going to learn. Let's get started. Yes, children. So, today in this video, we are going to learn vowel sound E. Okay? Now, look at the given pictures and read the word given below each picture. Now children, you will look at the picture and then you will read the word which is given below each picture. Now, can you identify this picture? What is it called? Yes, this is a pen. Now we will spell this word P-E-N, pen. E says eh, okay? P-E-N, pen. Now there are two men, okay? So when two men are there, we say M-E-N, men. We use M-E-N, men. Okay, but when one man is there, we use M-A-N, man. But here two men are there, that is why we have what is written here, children? M-E-N, men. Again you will see here E vowel, here also E vowel. Okay, now this is a leg. Spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Here again you will see E vowel. Can you recognize this picture? What is this? This is a net. This is a net. N-E-T, net. Okay? This net is used to catch fishes also, and we also use this net, okay, to filter water. Okay, so whenever we fill water in earthen pots or wherever, we keep this net so that water can easily filtered out. Now this is net, N-E-T, net, N-E-T, E vowel is here, you can see. So sound of this vowel is E. N-E-T, net, E. Now, can you see this picture, children? Yeah, this is a pet. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Now, this picture, this is a bed. B-E-D, bed. This is an egg. E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. This is a jet. J-E-T, jet. Now let's read aloud some more words. There are few words here. We will read them. Oh, you can see everywhere you will find E. Okay. These words have E in them. And here we are also learning vowel sound E. And you all know E says E. R-E-D, red. L-E-G, leg. M-E-T, met. P-E-T, pet. L-E-D, lead. B-E-G, bag. S-E-T, set. F-E-L-L, fell. W-E-L-L, well. E-double-G, egg. G-E-T, get. B-E-L-L, bell. F-E-D, fed. P-E-G, peg. W-E-T, wet. T-E-N, tan. H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, den. K-E-G, keg. L-E-T, let. W-E-D, wet. M-E-N, man. Y-E-T, yet. J-E-T, jet. Now once again I will read. Keep your finger here where I am reading. R-E-D, red. L-E-D, lead. W-E-L-L, well. F-E-D, fed. H-E-N, hen. W-E-D, wed. L-E-G, leg. B-E-G, beg. E-double-G, egg. P-E-G, peg. D-E-N, dan. M-E-N, man. M-E-T, met. S-E-T, set. G-E-T, get. W-E-T, wet. K-E-G, keg. Y-E-T, yet. Now P-E-T, pet. F-E-L-L, fell. B-E-L-L, bell. T-E-N, ten. L-E-T, let. J-E-T, jet. Now children, we will read aloud short sentences. See, you can see this picture. What can you see here? A Ted is on the bed. You can see here one Ted is there, Teddy. It is on the bed. So Ted is on the bed. This is a jet. A man is in the jet. You can see only one man is there. That is why what we have used here, M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. A man is in the jet. Now this is a girl. Her name is Priya. Priya's hat is red. Can you see this hat, H-A-T, hat? It is red in color. Priya's hat is red. Now, I hope you can see this picture. This is a net. So, the net is wet. Wet means gila hona. The net is wet. Now, this boy, this is a boy. His name is Ned, N-E-D, Ned. Ned has a pet. I repeat, Ned has a pet. So, children, here we have completed sound of vowel E. Okay? That's all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day.